...2021 DragPak Dodge on the right side. Out of Ohio, in the left. Dennis CHAISSON, unfortunately, having issues. Not only did he go red, but having issues with traction down there. Not able to get down the racetrack to the best of his ability.
Spinning in that lane. I mean, the guy in front of me spun, and then...
I don't know if anybody spun that.
Right side, look at the wheels up launch for Tony Scott.
Here we got down the track, we finally broke into the sevens. It's hit a 7.98. Don't know if that's enough to move us up, but we 60-foot it better, better in the 8th mile. But the big thing is our mile per hour. We're at 178.48 miles an hour. Still the fastest mile an hour car in the field right now. We just got to get it a little bit better 60-foot, a little bit better to the 8. So now it's all just gearing, you know, the torque converter. Getting that stuff figured out. We're going to look at some data, and if we get out in front of somebody, they won't catch us, that's for sure. Really, it's just going to be up to Kimmy now. Kimmy and his dad, they're going to look at the data, and you know, they're going to see where they can make some adjustments. Again, that's going to be the 60-foot, you know, how much can we put in off the line, and you know, look at that converter. You know, what's the converter doing? You know, do we need to make a change, stator change? But we're going to, like say, if the car is making the power, now it's just a matter of, you know, figuring that gearing out.
Yesterday in qualifying, the parachute got up underneath the wheelie bar, got the back end of the car loose, and put Chuck Watson into the wall. That's why you see that different nose piece on the front of that car. Because that's the world of drag racing we live in, and I'm glad to do it. And Chuck Watson ain't afraid to get back at it either. He is out of it at the 8th mile. He's running it through, grabbing some incremental numbers. So AJ, your number 2 qualifier to Bayshore, New York, driving for Don Schumacher Racing, that 2021 DragPak Dodge in the right lane. AJ, 788 with a 1, 177 miles an hour. Jim out of Michigan. 2019 Cobra Jet Mustang. So Ford versus Dodge 2021 DragPak out of Hinkley, Ohio over RAYMOND NASH. Jim goes ahead, goes in. Oh, this is going to be a good side-by-side race. 781.8, 176 miles an hour for Jim BETZ. And he was second off the starting line. Margin of victory just a little over 1/10 of a second. He really started to stretch the lead down there as he went down the racetrack. 808 with a 4, 172 miles an hour for RAYMOND NASH. Now it's Dodge versus Chevrolet. And the Camaro is out on the Dodge. 792.1, 172 miles an hour for Douglas HAMP. Lindsay Wheelock did a fantastic job of driving. The Dodge is definitely going to round 2. Which one's it going to be? It's going to be David Davies. 788 with a 9, 175 miles an hour for Davies. Tripp Carter, Alan SCRUGGS. Another Ford versus Dodge. Tripp on the left side, in the Cobra Jet. Alan SCRUGGS on the right side, in the DragPak. Another great drag racing is Tripp Carter. 784.0, 176 miles an hour. Neither one of them wanted to go in the stage. Well, Walter goes in. This is a good one. Jason Deitch with the win. 799 with an 8, 172 miles an hour, and he squeaks it out by 7. thousandths of a second. Dennis chasing Terry Monroe. Terry the COPO, right side out of Beaver, Pennsylvania. Dennis out of Irving, Texas. Oh, red light start by 5/10 thou for Terry Monroe, and Dennis Chasen does not get down the racetrack. He is idling down the racetrack. But Terry Monroe by 5/10 thousandths of a second. Red lights in the first round. Goes in. Here comes Chevrolet. Tony Scott's car leaves like a dream. And he wins at 798.4, 170 miles an hour for Scott. Jonathan Allegrucci, 054 on the tree, but goes 818.5 at 170.
Missed it.
Two-step, and I was like, fucking two-step, and it just was like,
Weren't you running Terry Monroe?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're moving on.
What did he do? He red lit?
Yeah, you got lucky, man. That was your lucky round, dude.
He red lit?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh
lucky
my
round.
god, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Shit, are you kidding?
I know you want to find out for sure, but you know, turn the
Damn.
pardon my French, but I got on the two-step, and it was like kind of wasn't really idling all that good. I got on the two-step, and the two-step was like bleh, bleh, like it was dying on the two-step.
And then I like go, and it was nothing there. It was like, oh, it was like,
Can't believe he red lit.
You know what? He had to have, because I heard him saying the same thing you were saying when you got out of the car.
Really?
So he knows he red lit.
oh my god. Well, now we get to fix whatever the fuck's out.
That was, wait, we got lucky because my two-step wasn't working. I got on it. I didn't realize he red lit. I can't believe that. What was going on with the two-step?
It must have been, the car must have been way too cold, and the intercooler was too cold. I need to look at it.
Yeah.
It must have been ice cold. It's never done that.
I know, it's like, bleh, bleh, bleh. Yeah.
And I didn't know it red lit.
I didn't. I know, me too.
Someone was like, man, that guy can't do red lit.
I came down here and I was.
I was like, what do you mean you red lit? I'm like, you serious? Like, yeah. I'm like, give me a hug.
So anyway,
go back
so
and work on it.
yeah, we got some work to do on the car, but we got lucky, guys, and we're going on to round 2.
Watch out.
Holy shit!
Dude, what the?
The other day, right?
It happened to Jonathan, too, and the whole back of his car got ripped off.
Yeah, but the change of emotion, he didn't know that.
Neither did I. I didn't know at first either, so someone on the start line had told me because I was just bummed out. And
I was bummed out recording everybody else.
I've never seen it. Well, the car's never done that either, so I was pissed.
Well, it was on, then it was off, then it was on, then now we're off again. So unfortunately, we got some light sprinkling, just enough to make it annoying. So we're in the pits. Pro mods had just finished up and it started raining. Then they told us to go back to the pits. We got back here and covered up and stopped for a second, and then they called us back up and started again. Now we're back in the pits. So it's gonna be a long day. It doesn't look like we're gonna finish this race this weekend, and if that happens, they carry us over to Norwalk, the next NMCA race. So everything stays. We just pick up right where we left off in Norwalk. This is what it is. Hey guys, this is Dragpakdennis. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment on the video. That'll let me know if you like what you're seeing. Take care all, we'll see you next time.